Welcome back everyone, Nam is here. Today, allow me to introduce you to Excel and Word Copilot. For demo we will open an Excel file with data. No need to write any formula, you can easy to ask Copilot to do it for you by our natural language. Very quickly, we have results. More advanced things, that's Copilot can help you to highlight your data in sections. You can also add all data insights in a worksheet. For the bonus, I will share with you how Word can interact with Excel data. Open a new Word file and then you can ask it writes a report from you Excel data. More than that, it can help you to convert data into a table. Tips here: you need to remove bullet points and numbering before doing that. Thank for your watching and have good prompting.